Hello guys, today we have a review of the new mouse, how they call a silent mouse or silent mouse, which is for A4TECH company, and the model is FB35CS. Actually, what they underline here is USB-C charging, 2000 dpi resolution, and no noise. Although for this price, and the price is really good, it's around $20, you've got Bluetooth and you've got 2.4 gigahertz wireless plus Type-C rechargeable Li battery, so you don't need batteries anymore. You can connect it by Bluetooth or by 2.4 gigahertz USB stick. It's really good option for this price. From the back, you've got the advantages list. Actually, what they have here is that it's rechargeable lithium batteries. So you don't worry about charging battery anymore, and you don't need to change the batteries. Also, you've got solid thread is charging, no light is fully charged, a flash thread is low battery. Indication charging time is around 2.5 hours. Specifications are here, so up to 3 devices to connect to 2 devices by Bluetooth and 1 device 2.4 USB stick. Sensor is optical, distance 5-10 meters, DPI is range of 3, 1.2, 1.6 and 2. 6 buttons, right-handed style, nano receiver, how they call it, whatever. System is macOS, Chrome OS, Android, Windows, iOS, also all of them are supported. Silent clicks, so that's one of the advantages, one of the features, so it eliminates the noise, USB-C charging, easy switch between 3 devices, on-off power switch, rechargeable design, lithium batteries, 3-level adjustables of DPI, nano receiver, and auto channel sort, which is avoiding RF interference. Alright, so let's open it up finally and check it out. Okay, so actually open it here. You have some instructions here, some user manual, how to connect it, quite a lot of paper, so I don't think I need it. Also, yeah, it's just cover, F-style, okay, it's called this F-style collection. Then you have the mouse itself. Okay, let's put it aside. You have the USB-C to USB cable. I don't think I need it for now. And you've got this receiver, A4TECH. Maybe better they make it black. I don't know why they make it blue. But anyway, yeah, also this one is available here. Alright, the mouse itself, so you have the holder for the USB receiver here on the bottom. The size, it's not really heavy. I can even tell it's quite light, and actually it fits really good. So it's for right-handed. With the left hand, it's not convenient and definitely not designed for the left-handed, but with the right hand it looks good. You have 2 buttons here, you have the wheel, you can change DPI by this button. Finally, it's optical as well, and from down you've got some ratings, 3.7 volts, 15 milliampere, model, serial number, warning, limited charge with 5 voltage. Here you have USB-C, finally not micro USB. The wheel is nice. The plastic quality, I would say it's average. So for 20 bucks, it's I think really good quality. If you will buy it more expensive, the quality doesn't worth it. But in general, it's fine as well. So as you hear, the noise. All the buttons, all the like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 buttons, they don't have noise at all. Nice, like a laptop. You hear something like far away, but now I will take another mouse to compare. You will feel the difference. So, alright, let's turn it on. So now you have this Bluetooth or 2.4 gigahertz indicator, or I think it's in search mode. Actually 3 types, and the button turn on, turn off. So I will take one more mouse to compare and be back to you. Alright, I'm back. Here I have the mouse from the quite famous brand, this A4TECH company, which made like mechanical mouses with a high quality. This mouse cost $70, this mouse cost $20. Actually also have Bluetooth 2.4G, and also very similar USB-C charging. You have the stick. Stick is just black, but even if you compare the sticks with A4TECH, actually pretty much similar. This one much smaller, I guess. Yeah, it's a bit smaller, not that big as you see here, but in general very similar. And no brand, of course, here, but they indicated. Also, this mouse even charged by micro USB, which is really old school way. Alright, so let's just put it back and show you the difference in the noise as promised here, and listen to this mouse. Of course it's a mechanical mouse, maybe it's better or worse, no one knows, but how silent is that? Really nice. So let's connect the mouse to the laptop and check it out. Alright, so I have the mouse here and let's connect it firstly by 2.4. I will disable my old mouse, connect the new one. Okay, let's check it out. Doesn't work yet, need to wait some time until it will be connected. Still don't see it. Maybe click. Okay, turn it on. Yeah, sorry, forgot it. And 2.4. Yeah, okay, so it works. Let's change the DPI. Okay, this one is the minimum, I guess. 1.2, 1.6, and 2K. Okay, actually it's up to your preferences, but yeah, it's working. The bottom is working. Let's try to click something. Okay, let me change the DPI. It's way too fast. Okay, no, it's still way too fast, but okay, the click is really nice. The right click doesn't work. Why? Okay, work. It's my laptop issue, I guess. So the wheel, let's try to scroll. Okay, the scrolling is quite nice, everything works. The buttons here, as you see, selecting. When I click the left bottom here, or right. So actually working well. Let's try to connect by Bluetooth. So I'm disconnecting the stick here. Switch the bottom to Bluetooth search. And let me try to edit by Bluetooth. Add the mouse, Bluetooth, maybe need to click for search, or try to hold. Yeah, I need to hold to enter the connection mode by Bluetooth. So the mouse is like that, FB35C. Let's wait for connection. Yeah, it's connected, so should work. Yeah, working fine. You have the battery left, 75% here indication. So everything working well, no delay. I guess everything is fast, like minimum delay, let's say. So let me sum up. Actually, this mouse is quite nice for its price, for $20. It's really quiet. You have the DPI changes. You have the built-in battery. Even you can use it as a Bluetooth or additional receiver battery. And definitely this mouse worth $20. And as you checked, everything's working well. So really recommend to buy. And actually, if you still have some questions, leave them in the comments below, put the thumbs up, and see you next time.